Good morning, my name's Trevor. Welcome back to the Arctic Vette YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to swap out your stock bulbs for some LED bulbs for your side markers, blinkers, and DLRs, your daytime running lights. This is our 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport S Miss Dorothy, and we're going to show you just how to do that in a minute. Roll that intro. Now what we've got here is some Auxito LED lights. Shout out to y'all for sending these out. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. These lights are incredible and they will transform the look of your vehicle. I guarantee it. We have their headlights already. We've also got the fog lights. This is going to complete the LED upgrade, all of it, for Miss Dorothy. So right here we have these awesome switchbacks that we're about to install right there and over there. Now to do this, at least for our JL, our Jeep, there is one thing that we're going to have to do, one tool that we're going to need, and it's going to be a body pry pin, and I'll show you exactly where it's at. Right over here on the driver's side, I've already got it open, but there you need a pry pin, and then you just pull the plastic. So right here, this guy, you just loosen it. And I was able to get in there with a flathead screwdriver because I don't have a pry tool. So I just used a flathead screwdriver, got in there, pulled it out. With that pulled back, it revealed our light that's sitting right inside of there. Turned it to the left, pulled it out, and bam, there's our bulb. We can go ahead and pull that out, set it aside, and grab our new one and go ahead and install it. Now we're going to test it before we put it all back together. So let me get this in with two hands and then I'll show you guys. So I just went ahead and put on the parking lights. That's it. And we peek out here and look at it. It's already shining, and it's shining white. Oh, it's going to look so good. With this light properly installed, we're going to stick it back in the light socket there. You can kind of see it. And then we're going to twist, get that lined up, pushed in all the way. And then we're just going to twist it to the right till it's locked. It's good to go. Push that back in, push that pin in, and bam, there we have it. It is installed, and it's time to do the other side. Now with that completed on this side, I just flashed the keys there, they'll unlock. We have both of them done. Oh man, let's go try these bobies out. Here's us a now, a before and after, except that's the after. Oh man, that's so good. Let's turn them on. There's the nighttime view. Oh, that looks so good. I love it. Now I'm going to show you guys the after. This is the after. I'm going to show you the before. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. Look at that. That is a full Auxito front end right there. LEDs. We've got the side markers that we just installed, the headlights, the fog lights. If you guys are looking for any lighting, whether it's your headlights, your side markers, your fog lights, your tail lights, interior lights, all the lights, Auxito has got you covered. Check the link down below. Save yourself 15% on your order by using the code ArcticVette. That will also be down below in the comments, in the description. Thanks again, Auxito, for sending these LEDs out. They are incredible. Look at those things. The old versus the new is just is wild. Whew. Wow, what an upgrade. Thank you all so much. If you enjoyed this video or if it helped you out, smash that like button. Don't forget to click the red subscribe, and we will catch you in the next one. Have a great night, and God bless y'all. Oh man, that just looks so good. What car's next?